My name is Jorge López Duran. We are going to explain the subject of the consequence of air pollution. We start with the introduction. Pollution is one of the most important environmental problems that affect our world and arise when an imbalance occurs as a result of the addition of any substance to the environment which causes adverse effects on man, animals, plants or materials exploded to dozens that exceed the levels acceptable in nature. King on of pollution. The main responsibility for pollution are in general carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases such as methane. Carbon monoxide, particularly toxic and harmful to live, sulfur oxides and nitrogen when they reach the atmosphere. They combine with water vapor and produce sulfuric acid, generating the social cayet and acid rains. CFCs gases that were rarely used in aerosols or as a refrigerants destroyed the balance of the ozone layer in the atmosphere. Pollution reasons. The anthropogenic sources that generate the most environment and pollution are the following: excessive logging, industrial emissions and discharges to the atmosphere and the ionosphere, extracting, processing and refining of fossil fuels, oil, coal and natural gas, production and of energy which fossil fuels and other non-renewable. Consequences, the breakdown of the terminal and energy balance of the atmosphere has the following possible consequences: respiratory problems, polluting air can deteriorate the health of people, animals, and heavy plants, and this contains carcinogenic and opportunities and substances, acid rains, and certain chemical elements wreck in the atmosphere with water vapor and foreigns of corrosive mixtures. Deteriorating of the water, air pollution affects water pollution has evaporates and precipitates it comes in contact with atmospheric pollutants. They make to the ozone layer. In the upper layers of the atmosphere is the ozone layer that protects and from the direct impact of the sun rays. Example: atmospheric, water, ground, for garbage, radioactive pollution, acoustics, visual contamination, leak pollution, thermal pollution, electromagnetic pollution. Uh, Possible solutions. Some simple measures to reduce the environmental pollution would be use filters in chimneys and conduct a responsible industrial activity, promoting alternative energies to the burning of fossil fuels, eliminate the use of surface products, use English gasoline which without pollution additives. Conclusion: knowledge pollution is an incident nobody cares about and for, and then reason people the nothing to reduce pollution, but it shouldn't we like sometimes the planet is sick, and if we don't take care and of it, and this future is going to end.